Standard RAG pipelines throw away every diagram, image and table inside your PDFs. On the left side of the screen, you see what your application actually ingests, a stack of rich documents containing charts, figures and structured data tables. But follow the purple flow down to the center box and you will spot the harsh reality. Your ingestion script strips out everything except raw text, rendering diagrams and visual data completely invisible to your vector database. Think of it like taking a colorful textbook, shredding all the illustrations, and trying to learn physics from just the remaining words. Two tools handle standard text parsing today, LangChain and Llama Index. LangChain offers broad ecosystem integrations, while Llama Index specializes in structured data retrieval. Now look at the right side of the screen to see what happens when a user submits a query. Because standard text-only indexing dropped the visual context, the retrieved context is incomplete, leaving the developer frustrated with hallucinated or partial answers. Here is the reality most engineers miss: adding a larger LLM will never fix a pipeline that is fundamentally blind to its own input data. Remember this rule: text-only indexes do not see visual truth. By the end of this video series, you will know exactly how to architect a true multimodal RAG pipeline that captures every table and visual element without dropping critical context. Next, we will break down the exact mathematical reason standard text chunking completely destroys table structures. Think of standard RAG as having a super smart friend who memorized the entire library before 1999, but you just handed them today's stack of morning newspapers. To give you the right answer, they first have to read, understand, and use those specific new papers. That's exactly how this architecture on the screen works. Look at the column on the left labeled Input, Multimodal PDF Documents. Your raw data, those mixed pages, complex tables, diagrams, and charts must first be read. We move right to the ColPali mechanism section here. The unexpected happens. Most engineers try to use expensive OCR on that diagrams and charts input, but standard RAG just skips it entirely. This approach, as shown by that middle arrow, is different. It doesn't extract text. It takes that whole PDF page from the input and feeds it directly into a ColPali vision encoder, using a model like SIGLIP to transform the visual context itself, not just words, into information. Next, trace the path to the middle section, multi-vector embedding generation. This visual encoder, indicated by that central glowing camera icon, embeds all visual features, including charts and layout. This step directly addresses the breakdown you saw in scene 1, creating multivectors for a precise search. Now follow the arrow right to retrieval and answer generation. When you ask a query like "what is the revenue trend?", the system retrieves those highly relevant multivectors. Two tools solve this retrieval today: Pinecone and Weaviate. Pinecone is managed serverless for scale, while Weaviate offers an open source option you can self-host. Finally, the augmentation step combines your query with this visual context, and the generation step uses a multimodal LLM to synthesize the accurate answer shown at the bottom right. Remember this memory anchor for standard RAG: retrieve context first, then generate the answer. Now let us look at the architecture that puts this mechanism into production. On the left, under component group number 1, you throw in mixed content, images, tables, PDFs and charts. Trace this over to the data stream icon where everything enters that vision encoder box. This must handle all file types. We are now past the raw data stage. Notice the arrow from the encoder feeds directly into those stack pages labeled page level embeddings. This is where most engineers get stuck. They try to build standard chunking pipelines here. Instead, your engineering decision here is to embed the context of that entire page visually, as shown by that label at the bottom. Captures visual and semantic context. This creates one vector per page, not a million small text fragments. Now trace this flow into component group number 2, multimodal retrieval. Your user query, which can include both text and images, hits that magnifying glass and enters the central multimodal retrieval engine. Here, you have to query two different things: the vector database in the knowledge base, and the document store. This system finds relevant visuals and text, indicated by that central retrieval block. Once relevant context is found, it's combined with your query and pushed into component group number 3. Generation. The retrieved visual and text context must load together as a single input into your vision-capable LLM like Gemini, GPT-4v or Claude 3. If understanding production RAG at this level is what you want, subscribe now. Every week, one RAG concept free. Next, let us see exactly how a real production system implements this at scale. Look at the top left corner labeled Input Multimodal PDF to see how Notion AI handles raw user uploads containing mixed text, charts, and tables. Following the purple arrow to the center, the document splits into two parallel processing pipelines: text extraction for raw words and image analysis using vision models for visual assets. Most engineers expect a system like Notion AI to mash everything into one plain text file, but that breaks table structures completely. Instead, follow the arrows right to page level multimodal embedding, where contextual fusion takes place. Here, Notion AI merges text and image embeddings to form a holistic page understanding before saving vectors down into the vector database indexing and storage section on the far right. Now trace the bottom flow from left to right, starting at the user icon. When a user prompts find data on Q2 sales, including the graph, query processing routes the search straight into the vector database, the system retrieves page-level multimodal context and passes it directly to the LLM for answer generation block. This generates a complete response with text and figures, referencing exact visual metrics as shown in the callout box at the bottom right. Next, let us talk about what building this means for you as an engineer in 2026. Building this specific architecture you see on the screen, the complete multimodal pipeline, marks you as a senior engineer in 2026. In an interview context, explaining this entire flow from the complex data ingestion on the left to the production of fusion embeddings in the center. And finally, the multimodal retrieval and answer generation on the right signals that you're not just wrapping LLM APIs, you understand the foundational infrastructure decisions. A common pitfall teams hit is assuming that simply switching to a multimodal model for generation solves the problem. But look closely at the critical infrastructure decision box. The real breakdown happens earlier at the standard text embedding fails point on the left. The actual requirement, as indicated, is building a dedicated multimodal embedding model to process visual, tabular, and textual data simultaneously. This is the difference between a system that can answer questions about the words in a PDF and one that can interpret the charts within it. 2. Open source tools solve this specialized embedding challenge today. Clip-style models and ImageBind. Clip-style focuses specifically on merging image and text representations, while ImageBind offers broader multimodal capabilities. The choice between them depends on whether you need a specialized or versatile embedding foundation. Implementing this complete pipeline signals a critical career shift. You are moving from prompt engineering to actual systems engineering for advanced AI. The true career signal here is not mastering a single acronym like RAG. It is being the engineer who can diagnose and repair the specific failure modes of a hybrid data architecture. Remember this key insight. Text-only indexing is a dead end for production enterprise data. True intelligence requires processing the entire visual context of your documents, not just a plain text approximation. If you are serious about advanced AI engineering, your next watch should be my deep dive into deploying multimodal LLMs with specialized context optimization. It picks up exactly where this systems level breakdown ends. Subscribe for a new RAG breakdown every week.